Sorry ass DJ.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kayla Nissa My class HA. My number 23. 11 and friends. One day and 11 wandered into a forest in search of friends. They saw a monkey on a tree. Will you be my friends? Asked the elephant. Replied the monkey, you are too big. You cannot swing from trees like me. Next, the elephant met a rabbit. He asked him to be his friend. But the rabbit said, you are too big to play in my burrow. Then the elephant met a frog. Will you be my friend? He asked. How can I? Asked the frog. You are too big to live about like me. The elephant was upset. He met a fox next. Will you be my friend? He asked the fox. The fox said, sorry sir, you are too big. The next day, the elephant saw all the animals in the forest running for their lives. The elephant asked them what the matter was. The bear replied, there is a tiger in the forest. He is trying to gobble us all up. The animals all ran away to hide. The elephant wondered what they could do to solve everyone in the forest. Meanwhile, the tiger kept eating up whatever he could find. The elephant walked up to the tiger and said, please, Mr. Tiger, do not eat up these poor animals. Mind your business, growled the tiger. The elephant has no choice but to give the tiger a hefty kick. The frightened tiger ran for his life. The elephant ambled back into the forest to announce the good news to everyone. All the animals thanked the elephant. They said, you are just the right size to be our friend. Thank you very much for watching my video, Elephant and Friends.
Sorry ass DJ.
Wow.